Let's crochet this cute mini butterfly. It's so easy to make and I'll guide you through each step. For this project, you'll need a crochet hook, yarn, scissors, and a darning needle. To start, we're going to use a magic ring. Hold the tail end of the yarn with your thumb, wrap the yarn around your hand, create an X with the yarn and hold the working yarn with your thumb. Turn your hand over and put your hook under the first strand. Grab the second strand with your hook, pull it under the first strand, twist your hook and slip the ring off your hand. Now we can start the round. Chain 2. 1, 2. Double crochet 2 times. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Single crochet. Insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull through. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops on your hook. If you're liking the video so far, please subscribe. It really helps the channel out. Double crochet. Treble. Yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through another 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Chain 2. 1, 2. Treble. Double crochet. Single crochet. Double crochet. Treble. Chain 2. 1, 2. Treble. Double crochet. Single crochet. Two double crochets. Chain 2. 1, 2. Adjust the ring so that it's smaller. This will help us slip stitch. Slip stitch into the magic ring. Cut the yarn. Pull on the yarn to tighten the ring and slip stitch. We're going to use the ends of our work to make the body and antenna of the butterfly. Wrap the yarn around the middle of your work once or twice depending on the yarn choice. Thread your darning needle and create a knot on the back of your work. Now, using one strand at a time, cross it under the knot at the back to secure it down. Pull up to the top of your work, this will make the antenna. Do this with both strands. Flip the work over to the right side and cut the antenna so they are even. And that's it, you've completed your butterfly. Let me know in the comments below how your butterfly turned out. I used mine for a bunting and it turned out super cute. If you liked this video, then you'll love my mini star video linked here. Thanks for watching, like, comment and subscribe for more videos.